Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best cheese grottos. For a cheese lover like yourself, it is essential to keep your cheese in the best state possible for your next delicious and sophisticated meal. Thankfully, cheese grottos are able to do exactly that. With the right conditions, these grottos can keep your favorite cheese from drying out or overproducing mold, keeping it as fresh as possible. So let's get this show on the road as we showcase the best cheese grottos you can get your hands on. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fourth cheese grotto in our list is the Cheese Grotto Fresco, which TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Cheese Grotto Fresco comes in a relatively compact size with a capacity to hold 3 to 4 pounds of cheese. You can choose between 2 removable shelves to match your preference: original bamboo or black resin with rideable soapstone chalk. The bamboo material is wrap-proof, while the finished birch is stain-resistant, which backs up its solid build. On top of that, the birch used in this grotto is slower to absorb and release moisture thanks to its tight surface, which makes it perfect for long-term storage. Apart from this, the material is sustainably made and non-toxic, making it great for the family. Next, for maximum humidity control, the grotto features a single handcrafted clay brick as well as a vaulted ceiling for condensation control. A breathable back panel also allows for the perfect climate for wedges and small wheels of cheese inside the refrigerator. These features work hand-in-hand to help keep your cheese in the best condition possible. There's also an antimicrobial floor made from linseed oil that regulates any mold growth and ensures that your cheese is stored in a hygienic spot. To add to the grotto's elegant design and aesthetics, the Fresco also features a genuine leather tab with copper mount plus plexiglass paneling for quick and easy viewing. And the unit's sliding door is easy to open and close even as it sits inside the refrigerator. In terms of size, the Fresco has dimensions of 7 by 9 inches with a height of 8 inches. Impressively, despite its small size, its shelving height can accommodate virtually any type of cheese. Now, for proper maintenance of the plywood shelves, however, we highly suggest monthly application of mineral oil. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for the metropolitan cheese lover who uses a smaller refrigerator. The third cheese grotto in our list is the Cheese Grotto Mezzo, which TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. As an entry-level model for cheese lovers with a more modest cheese purchasing habit, we have the Cheese Grotto Mezzo. Whether you'll be given this as a gift or using it to serve before or after dinner, the Grotto Mezzo is undoubtedly a brilliant storage solution. Compared to our previous entry, the Cheese Grotto Fresco, this unit's footprint is much smaller. It only requires 1 shelf to store up to 2 pounds of cheese of varying shapes and sizes. The Mezzo's shelf material is made from bamboo or rideable black resin board with soapstone chalk. Its frame material, on the other hand, is made from finished Baltic birch, which backs up its strength and durability. We would also like to note that both bamboo and birch do not warp, ensuring the Mezzo's extended lifespan. Plus, it features 1 handcrafted clay brick for humidity control, as well as a breathable black panel to ensure its cheese-preserving properties. On another note, equipped with convenient features, this unit features plexiglass paneling for easy viewing, as well as a sliding door which allows you to effortlessly open and close the unit whilst inside the refrigerator. Finally, when it comes to dimensions, the Mezzo has a base of 7 by 9 inches and a height of 6 inches, which makes it the perfect storage solution for serving cheeses throughout the week. Now, here's something you should know before making that purchase. We highly suggest cleaning the Mezzo after every use, as the wood has the potential to harbor bacteria and pathogens if not cleaned regularly and properly. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals who prefer a smaller unit for their personal cravings. The second cheese grotto in our list is the CapaBunga Cheese Vault with Divider, which TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This cheese storage vault by CapaBunga is basically an organizer designed specially for the fridge. Being made from food-grade silicone, this cheese box is free from latex, phthalates, and BPA, which makes it 100% safe for the mouth. The CapaBunga features a convenient insert or divider that allows you to separate 2 types of cheese to prevent their flavors from mixing. It's also good to note that the base of the unit wicks away excess moisture in order to keep your cheese as fresh as possible while protecting it from outside smells. To prevent molding, a snug-fitting lid is designed to keep moisture away to delay molding, which extends the quality of the cheese. Our team would also like to mention of the cheese vault's two ends that are polished, which allows you to label it with a ballpoint pen for easy identification. Finally, in terms of dimensions, this cheese vault measures 6 by 4 by 3.5 inches, which makes it take up minimal space inside the refrigerator. Design-wise, it comes in 4 color options to match your preference: biscuit, orange, white, and yellow. One limitation our team finds worth mentioning, however, is that the unit isn't dishwasher safe, so we suggest cleaning it by hand at all times. Aside from that, the unit has a very small storage space, so it might not fit typical cheese brick sizes. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for individuals who prefer an extremely small and portable option for storing cheese. The best cheese grotto in our list is the Cheese Grotto Classico, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. This last entry is specially designed for all the cheese connoisseurs out there. Introducing the Cheese Grotto Classic. Made from elegant bamboo, it provides to be highly durable and resilient, which allows it to last a lifetime. The porous and unfinished bamboo quality also provides a healthy environment for cheese microbes to thrive in. Our team would like to note that this grotto is finished by hand, making it an eye-catching centerpiece for large dinner parties. The unit's 2 removable shelves are made from bamboo or black resin with soapstone chalk, much like the other cheese grotto entries. It also features a single handcrafted clay brick as well as a vaulted ceiling for optimal humidity and condensation control. On top of that, an adjustable back panel ensures additional ventilation for the curing and ripening of various styles of cheese. The Classico features plexiglass paneling for convenient viewing at a distance. We would also like to highlight that its framed pull-down drawer design is the ideal choice for fridge and countertop use. It's worth noting that the unit can be stored on the countertop or inside a cellar at temperatures ranging from 45 to 69 degrees Fahrenheit for effective short-term storage. Also, it can be placed inside your fridge for storage in the long term, given that you have the extra space. In terms of proper maintenance, the set includes a 2-ounce bottle of mineral oil, which you can apply monthly. Size-wise, with a larger footprint than most of today's list, the Classico measures 7.5 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 8.5 inches tall, which allows it to hold up to 8 pounds of cheese, making it perfect for families or large events. While this is a brilliant cheese storage container, our team does find that this unit is quite big, so you're going to have to allot a generous amount of space for this in your refrigerator. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for avid cheese enthusiasts who prefer storing loads of cheese for their next snack or meal. And there you have it, folks, our best cheese grottos, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next cheese grotto roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.